everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well and being very safe. So today I'm back with a skincare video. I will make a face mask which can transform your skin in just 7 days. If your face is not glowing, you are having tiny bumps or pimples or having skin dullness in summer, then trust me, this mask can cover all the problems. In this mask, I used all the powerful natural ingredients which will help you to improve skin texture, remove dullness or dark spots, and definitely this will make your skin smooth and glowing. So let's see how to make and apply this mask. First, take a medium-sized bowl and take 1 teaspoon gram flour. This will reduce oil from skin in summer and helps to brighten skin tone. And there are more benefits of gram flour. Second, we need lentil powder. There I'm using red lentil powder. This will moisturize your skin and give your skin the pinkish glow. Third, we need turmeric powder. Fourth ingredient is honey, 1 teaspoon. Honey will moisturize our skin and it will also deeply cleanse our pores. And our next ingredient is lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. And this is high in vitamin C and lactic acid, which will tighten our pores, improve skin texture and provide glow. And last, we need milk as needed to mix the ingredients. Use raw milk. So all other ingredients are already so beneficial for our skin. And when we mix all this and apply on our skin, then imagine how much effective and helpful it could be for our skin. So our face mask is ready, and now let's see how to apply this. First, we have to cleanse our skin, and for this I used raw milk. Raw milk is which one you didn't cook or boiled. Take some fresh milk in a bowl and cleanse your face with a cotton pad. Milk is a gentle cleanser. It moisturizes our skin, remove dirt from our pores. It has lactic acid and antioxidant which fights against acne and brighten our skin tone. And do you know milk is also a gentle exfoliator? So if you have sensitive skin, you can simply exfoliate your skin with milk. So after cleansing, wash your face with water or take another cotton pad and wipe your face properly. And after this, we are going to apply our face mask. And see, my face is already glowing after cleansing. So it's time to apply this mask, and for this you can use a brush, but if your skin is sensitive or you have any skin issues, then don't use a brush. Our fingertips is much better. The point is apply a thick layer on your face. Well, there we also used turmeric. Turmeric has all the powers for all skin type issues. This will help you to remove dark spots, pigmentation, pimples, acne, plus turmeric brightens skin tone, improves skin texture and adds glow to our skin. So I could say this mask will brighten your dull skin. I'm not saying this will change your skin into fair, but this will definitely help you to get the better version of your skin. So after applying this, let this dry to 80 to 90%, and this will take almost 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back after 20 minutes, and I'm back, and see, it's almost dry. And now we have to massage our face to improve blood circulation, and this way it will be easy to wash our face. And for this, use the leftover milk. Wet your face with milk and massage in circular motion. And after massaging, wash your face with normal water. So I just washed my face, and can you see the glow? My skin looking so much hydrated and glowing. Now spray some rose water, or you can apply any toner. And there I'm using simple toner. This will balance our skin pH level. And after this, you can apply any moisturizer or aloe vera gel. So this is the final result, and it looks very much hydrated, glowing and textured. I'm just loving the result, and trust me, you are also going to love this too. Use this mask at least 5 to 7 days to see the best result. Just give some time in your self-care and transform your skin. You can apply this mask anytime and have the best version of your skin. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. I'll be back with another video another day. Until then, be happy, be safe, bye bye.